If you want to create a mobile-friendly form for your website without wasting time or getting overwhelmed with complicated tools, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to build a clean, responsive form that works perfectly on any device, and at the end, I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial for the software we're using, available only to viewers of my channel. So let's jump straight into it. First, let's open the software we'll be using. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and comes with mobile optimization baked in. You can find a link with an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along step by step. Start by choosing a blank form template. Simpler is better when designing for mobile. Less clutter, faster loading. Add your fields, name, email, phone number, message, or whatever suits your site. Use short labels and placeholder text so the user knows exactly what to type without overwhelming small screens. Now the key part, making it responsive. Inside the editor, go to the form settings and enable mobile optimization. This usually ensures the form scales down correctly on phones and tablets. If your software has a preview mode, switch to mobile view and check spacing, font sizes, and button size. Make sure buttons are at least 44 pixels high. Anything smaller gets frustrating on thumbs. Keep field widths at 100% so they automatically resize based on the screen. Next, go into the style settings and use a legible font, at least 16px. Use padding around each field so everything is easy to tap. You don't want your users zooming in or misclicking. If your form has multiple steps or pages, enable a progress bar or indicators so users know where they are. It reduces drop-off, especially on mobile. Add a confirmation message or redirect after submission so users know their info was received. Bonus points if you include a quick thank you or next steps message that's also mobile friendly. Once you're happy, publish the form and embed it into your site. Most software tools give you a mobile-ready embed code or WordPress block. Now here's a quick pro tip. After embedding, test your form on both iPhone and Android using Chrome's developer tools or your actual phone. Small tweaks can make a big difference, especially spacing and tap targets. Let's quickly recap. We picked a simple template, added essential fields, optimized for mobile responsiveness, adjusted font and spacing, enabled mobile preview, and tested across devices. The key takeaway, creating a mobile-friendly form isn't about adding more. It's about simplifying, optimizing, and testing across real devices. Clean design, readable fonts, and touch-friendly elements are what matter most. And don't forget, if you want to follow along or build your own mobile-friendly form with the software we use today, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only available through my channel, so take advantage of it while it's still active. Thanks for watching. Now go make that form mobile perfect.